Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs. Today we're going to be printing some yard signs, so don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Okay, so I have to print some yard signs, and I didn't want to, since a yard sign is like an oversized print, my printer doesn't print that big to print the actual positives. So what I'm doing is I'm using vinyl for the positives. The other reason why I'm using vinyl is because Martin Jones, I believe it was Martin Jones that asked me how to show him how to apply the tape, the masking tape that is, for the vinyl. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Let me weed this real quick, and then I'll show you how to use vinyl as positives. Again, this is for yard signs. So that's it. This is weeded. So now I'm gonna do the application tape, and a lot of you may know this trick. I did not know this trick. I actually learned this trick from Angel Lopez. So the way I do it is I take out about 4 inches, and then I tape it to the end of the tape. I tape it to the end of the table. That way when I pull on it, I got something, you know, it's gonna be held by the table. That way when I start pulling on it, it won't go anywhere. And as you can see, it's taped to the table. And then I just bring my in this case vinyl, I bring it up to the table, to the tape, and I start applying it. Okay, so let me give you a close-up on how we do it. As you can see, it's actually taped to the table. Then I'm gonna bring the artwork. Okay, so once I bring the artwork to it, you know, just got a little slack. Take your squeegee. And if you don't, you don't have to do this right here. You can actually adhere it to the top of the table, but this tables don't grab real good. So then the next thing you're gonna do is just take a empty, if you have one of these heavy duty empty tubes, and then just roll this one, and see. That's how easy it is to apply application tape to your vinyl. And just take this, roll it back up, put it away, and then finish doing your finish putting your application tape, and then, you know, like, then just cut the exit. There's a part that was taped to the table. It's not trash. And now I'm going to apply this to the screen. Just so you know, I cut this in mirror, since it's going to go on the actual screen. Make sure you mirror the image. Just like that, and obviously remove the application tape. So this one I kind of messed up a little bit. There you go. That's how you make a screen for yard signs. All I gotta do now is expose it and then make my yard signs. So that's it for this video, guys. That's how we make stencils using vinyl. If you know, if you have oversized stencils that you have to make, or screens in this case, using vinyl, just make sure you mirror your image so everything comes out the right way. I'm gonna go expose this and make some yard signs. I don't have to make about 10 of them. If you want to see a video on how to make the yard signs, you can actually, I'm gonna put a link somewhere in here so you guys can watch the video. So if you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe below and ding the bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for watching again, guys, and I will catch you in the next one. See you later.